Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm finally doing this video. Oh my gosh. Oh, life comes and conquers. I mean, not conquers, but it takes over. I wanted to do this on Monday and I didn't get a chance. I was working, getting my kids ready for school, and then I was just so drained. And well, you guys don't need to hear all that. Okay, so if you commented on my videos for the ATC Cards Coins Collab 2020, I'm just picking my third video, and I already have the URL in the comment picker. I will be giving one of each of my ATC cards, and oh, geez, it's so close. I'm going to be giving this one away. I'm going to be giving, this one was the fifth one. I'm going to give one of these. And then I think this one was the next one. I'm going to keep this. And then one of these. And then lastly, but this one. So I'm going to give you 5 of my ATC cards and coins for my giveaway, and maybe a little goodie to go with it. So let's start this because I don't want it to go too long, and I'm going to press get comments, and I think it did it. Okay, so let's start. I don't think I've done this before. I think I might have done this once. I usually pull them out of a box or something. So let's see who's going to win. It is Memory Lane Keepsakes. Oh my gosh, it's Tanya. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Tanya, you've won my ATCs. Um, Congratulations. Please send me your address and I'll get this out as soon as possible. I want to thank everybody for joining me. I am doing another collab with Poet. I hope you guys can join in or comment and watch, because I'll be doing another one at the ending of this month. Yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. Tanya, send me your address and I'll send this to you right away. Okay, so thanks everyone. Have a great evening, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.